The next annotation dataset is pie chart. It is used to add pie charts at branch tips or in a light layout. And the data you need to prepare are multiple columns of numerical data. And the proportional pie slice will be calculated automatically for each node. And we can open a new page in normal layout. We can copy all nodes IDs of this leaves node. From here, click this button. It will copy all nodes ID to your system clipboard. You can create a new Excel file, and the first column must be node ID. And paste. And from here, I just fill in some example data like CO component 1 is 2 field component 2 3 component 3 6. Saved this file. Click this button to show the hidden layer panel, and click this button to add your annotation data file. Click this button to select the layer called pie chart and select these 3 columns of data and click add. By default, all pie charts will be in a light layout. You can click this layer and to show all the parameters controlling panel here, and the first one is pi, and this parameters is used to set the color set of these 3 categories. You can select one of these default color set, and if you don't like the color set here, you can turn on the switch and select one color you like. You can also use the color picker to pick one of color in your screen, or fill some specific value here. The next one is pie style. The first one is to adjust the position of each pie. There are 3 options here. By default, is uniform, means all pie charts will be in a light layout, and the second one is at the end of branch. The last one is in the middle of branch. The next one is X offset, means the horizontal offset of each pie chart. You can put on your mouse on the parameter's name and drag your mouse, or you can fill a specific value here. The next one is inner radius. By default, it is 0, means there is no inner radius of each pie chart. If you give a value here and 3, the next one is radial offset. By default, the radius of each pie chart is equal to the spacing of each node. And you can adjust these parameters. The minor values is valid. The next one is field opacity. To adjust the transparent. 0 means full transparent. The next one is stroke color of each pie slice. Stroke width. Stroke opacity. The last block is legend, is used to adjust the style of the legend. You can use your mouse to drag this legend to any position you want. First one is the legend title. You can change it to any custom stream you like. Font size, field color, font weight, vertical and horizontal and vertical offset, spacing from each slice, size, inner radial, stroke width, stroke color, text style, and the layout. By default, it is one column. You can choose set to 2 columns, 3 columns, and the spacing of each column. You can add multiple layers. You can just choose the second and the third columns. For the circular layout, it is the same operation to add these pie charts. And the controlling parameters is the same as the normal layout.